guys, welcome back to another taste test video. So today I'm gonna do two parts. The first part is what I got on my plate. I got a hamburger, an empanada, a meatball, and I got a lot of ketchup on it. So I'm gonna start with the burger. Toast me, bon appetit. I'll give this a 10 out of 10. I like how the burger is very tender. It's not overcooked or undercooked, or it's not raw. So, do you want my other meatball?
Yeah, try it.
I did already.
Yeah, do taste. You're doing taste test video.
Oh. Next, I'm trying this meatball.
It's teriyaki.
It's teriyaki. Guys, I wish you had smell-o-vision.
I give it 10 out of 10.
Yeah, I would have to try that. And my friend is next to me. If you want to say hi, go ahead.
Say hi. That's it.
She's my special guest for the video this week. The meatball tastes very teriyaki-ish. Like, look at that, guys. Like perfection. I like how it's tender. It's not overcooked. It's not raw. I would give this a 10 out of 10. The next, I would eat the empanada.
I give that a 1 out of 10.
Look at that goodness, you guys. It's it's like velvety comfort food. You can eat this in your pajamas. You can eat this.
Pajamas?
Yeah, you can eat it at your house in pajamas.
Yeah.
The meat is very brown. It's not overcooked. It's not raw.
The cheese is perfect.
The cheese is perfect. The flavors combined. The crunch. Thank you. The crispiness of the crust. All the flavors are mixing together, and that's what I like about empanadas. I would give the Wawa empanadas a 1 out of 10, and I would give this empanada a 10 out of 10. So part 2, you guys.